Disclaimer, I do not know how to do makeup. I am not a professional makeup artist. I'm not one of those people that are good at doing my own makeup. But every time I see Get Ready With Me or makeup tutorials, people do their makeup so perfect. So this is for video for people like me who don't know how to do their makeup, but just do the best they can. All right. All right. First, I just got my eyebrows done, which is good. I don't have to worry too much about them. I probably should turn my phone off. Foundation time. So I know you're going to say this foundation might look a little like yellow, but the thing about some of these foundations is they oxidize after you use them. And I go under here, they'll like match your skin color. It like changes to your skin tones. Another thing is when you're doing a foundation, make sure you do your neck. You don't want your neck to be a different color than the rest of your face. Concealer, I go under here, this area here, go down. Because this concealer looks so light, we really got to blend. Does this concealer look so light? This looks a little crazy. Watch, it's gonna all come together. Trust the process. That's what I'm telling myself as I'm doing this because I'm trusting the process. All right, setting powder, that's next, just to make sure everything stays in place. Put it underneath, kind of lock everything in. Just let that sit there for a second. While that's happening, now I like to do something with my eyes. When you don't really know what you're doing, less is more. So like, keep it minimal. So I'm just doing like a regular brown, like a matte brown on my eyes. A little bit of a darker brown, like just in like the crease or the sides. I'm getting somewhere. Now I like to do contour, which I like to just put a little bit under where I had the setting powder. Just like to put a little bit there like that. I like to do just a little bit here because someone told me that really defines like your neckline. The end of the brow down, the end of the brow down, and then I just blend it all in. I kind of like to take the powder off now. Get this powder out of here. Us non-makeup people, you don't want to have two streaks on the side of your face. I try to go downwards with this part. Like I try to bring it down a little bit. I kind of just hold it like this. I don't know. See, it's coming together. I told you, trust the process. I take a little bit of the powder and I go over the same spots that I did the contouring at. Then I like to take a little bit of bronzer just for like that cheek area. I put on the same brush, I don't even care. So when you turn and smile, people can see like some bronzer there. And finishing touches are going to be, oh, mascara. Finishing touches would be mascara. So I use this little one for the bottom. Okay. That's the mascara, and then I finish it off by my lip liner. It's funny because I'll wear lip liner and not even put anything on my lips. Ta-da! Oh, I do have this setting spray, and it's just supposed to keep everything in place. And this is what I do when I'm just going out with friends or going to hang out and just have fun, and I just want to do something quick. It's not perfect, but it'll do.